Welcome to another episode here at Trusted Auto Repair. Today a customer came in, he said he's hearing some noise from the brake pads. So we're going to replace his front and rear brake pads on this 2014 Nissan Altima. So here are the pads, we got the front and the rears. We're going to wear some gloves, so that's a clean job. We can actually jack this car up from the front. If you're going to be jacking the car up, make sure you're picking it up from somewhere solid. And if you're not sure, it's best that you just pick it up from the side, do one side at a time. Both sides are lifted now. Maybe 21. Right. The wheel out the way. These brake pads are pretty toast. It's best to get comfortable if you're working on the floor. Maybe it's better to obviously sit on something. Keep your back straight so you don't have any back problems. There's two 14mm bolts that are holding the caliper. Right, that'll allow you to come out like this. Right, and here are the brake pads. As you can tell, they probably have about 20 miles left on them before they start hitting the metal. So we are going to compress this caliper so that we can put it on once we put the new brake pads on. In order to do that, we're going to put one of the old pads in between the space. Give it a little bit of a, oh, it's very hot. Customer just came in. Right, so now we can compress it. Of course, there's different ways to compress. You can use different tools. Some tools are a lot easier, but you want to bring this piston all the way in so that it's flush with this round part of the caliper. So I don't know if you can tell, but it's slowly going in. It's gotta be all the way in. It's gotta be flush. All right. So we are going to put it in. Just like that. That's perfect. And the other side as well. There it is. I'll put this. This one, this two. And we are done. Now, of course, once we finish, we want to go inside and compress the brakes a couple times, 3-4 times. You're going to feel a little bit of play in the beginning, and then it's going to get stiff again, like normal. And so you want to make sure you do that before you take off. And once it feels like normal, you can start driving. Now, the last step is to put this back. I'd highly advise if you're just starting off, you want to screw in a couple threads first before you use the impact gun. And last step, where the opening is, if you have this model with the hubcaps, you want to make sure that part is in first. And it just clips in. We're good to go.